Hi, my name is Rima, and I wanted to talk to you about my Enchanted object project. So this is my fancy little controller. It's just the glasses case, and I thought this would be a good project because you can't tell because I'm wearing contacts, but I have to wear glasses, and I've had to wear them since I was like 7, and so I thought it would be neat to take something that has just been a part of my life and make it do something fun and cool. So I decided to attach it to a game, and I have put the loom kit inside. Right now it's connected to my laptop for battery, so I don't have to worry about it cutting out for this video demonstration. If we look at what is attached to the loom kit, we can see that there is a battery pack attached for when I'm actually using it in the live demonstration. There's also 2 different sensors attached. There is a pressure sensor, which is kind of just freely attached and that I will hold by hand. There is also a proximity sensor that is located just below the loom kit, and that tells the loom kit if the glasses case is opened or closed. So what am I using this for? I'm using this to control a car in a video game. So the proximity sensor tells the program when to start and stop. So when the case is closed, theoretically it should start, and when the case is open, it should stop. The accelerometer and gyroscope within the loom kit itself control forward and backward motion of the car, as well as left and right motion. In addition, the pressure sensor controls the turning on of police sirens. Also, in this particular game, in the upper left-hand corner, there's a description box of what different controls do, so I have also linked the opening and closing of the box to hiding those notes to make it look better. So, let's see what this looks like in action. Okay, and we have our lovely car. So I'm just going to close this. Looks like it worked because the notes went away. I'm going to press my pressure sensor to turn on the police car. And we are good to go. Okay, let's drive. There we go. And then I tilt it to the right. We go to the right. And if I go forward, and tilt it to the left, we turn left. Okay, tilt it back, and that is our reverse. So let's look at what this patch kit looks like then. Okay, so if we look on the screen now, my loom kit's not connected, so there isn't any data coming in, but we can observe what some of this does. So if we follow our eye shield monitor cord down to the left, we can see the first sensor being used, and this is actually our proximity sensor. So it is connected to this threshold, and this threshold detects when the case is open or closed. And so the opening and closing of the case actually triggers the space key and the H key to be triggered, and those are both linked into the switchblade. So the space key basically turns the switchblade on and off, and the H key, if we look up to the controls on the top right, we can see that it'll hide instructions in the game. If we continue to the right, we have a long route that picks up information from the accelerometer in the X and Y, as well as the pressure sensor here. So the accelerometer in the X controls our up and down motion, and our accelerometer in the Y controls our left and right motion. The pressure sensor controls the key E and the number 2. So why would we want that? Well, if we look at the top, key E is going to turn on some magic police lights, which we will see in the game, and key 2 selects the police car.